I'm Chris with Anker Coatings. Today we're in our spray booth, our lab spray booth I should say, and I'm going to be showing you a little bit about our Hydrolux Filling Primer. Now this primer is excellent for filling the grain of a lot of wood, softwood or hardwood, and we'll tend to use it when you don't have an issue with tanning bleed. In that case you'll use our Hydrolux Isolating Primer. Now you can see, if you come close, just how thick this filling primer is. And that's due to the really high solid content that's in the paint, allowing it to get a really nice, smooth plastic finish once it's cured. Now, because of this high solid content, it means that it can be force dried in about 1 hour in the right temperatures. And that's anywhere up to about 30 degrees. And it will cure at about 15 degrees Celsius, but once you get outside this 15 to 30 degree Celsius range, then you start to have some issues with either it drying far too slowly, about 4 hours, or far too fast.
Issues such as crazing or cracking, blistering and pinholing all could be related to incorrect spraying and drying temperatures.
So we're going to be spraying our Hydrolux Filling Primer on some samples of pine here. These have been really well sanded, but you can still feel a little bit of the grain in there. Because of the high solid content in this primer, that's really going to be smoothed out. We'll be left with a really fine, smooth finish. So I've got my sample of pine here, and I've sprayed the Hydrolux Filling Primer on top. I sprayed it at about 225 microns, which is absolutely critical when you're getting a vertical film hold. And you can build this we'll see how we get on. So it's been about 25 minutes now, and I'm expecting that, I hope this is dry. Yeah, that's about touch dry now. The paint's not fully cured, and it'll take a little bit longer to cure fully, but you'll be able to sand this off, I'd say about 15 minutes, it should be fine. Now, all being well, the sample I've got here in the 20 degrees should still be wet. To theory. Oh, that's actually touch dry as well. It's a little bit more tacky. Oh, you can see that I can move it there with my hand. So the film is building at 20 degrees, which is about optimal temperature actually, but it's taking a little bit longer. So we're going to wait another 15 or 20 minutes until they're both cured, and then we'll sand them off and look at the results. So it's been another 30 minutes, and both these now are sandable at 30 degrees and also drying at 20 degrees. What we're really showing is that our Hydrolux Filling Primer is incredibly versatile, and we even use hair dryers to force dry this at about 50 degrees just to prove that point. However, if you are seeing pinholes or crazing in the paint, then it's probably to do with the top coat. You need to ensure that when you're spraying the top coat that your spray booth is between 15 and 30 degrees. That's really important. If you're having to spray outside this temperature, then get in contact with us and we might have solutions that can help you out.